So now NeoTrader has a very detailed explanation about CPR. तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ये कैसे हमने डिजाइन किया है. आफ्टर आई एक्सप्लेन थ्रू माय प्रेजेंटेशन, I will then go and show you on NeoTrader as well. So till then, please hold on so that your understanding is very clear. Now, what happens in NeoTrader is we are taking the same market information and we are giving you very precise information about whatever we learned so far. So what all did we learn? We learned about what is a narrow range, what is a wide range. We then identified that when is a CPR trending mode emerging, when is a confluence zone emerging. So ऐसे हम लोग ने CPR के अलग अलग भाग देखे हैं अभी तक. Now in NeoTrader, how is it identified? Let's go and take a look at it. Narrow CPR. So now always CPR का यहाँ पर आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर एक रीड आउट मिल जाएगा. ये रीड आउट कैसे मिलेगा? आपको CPR नैरो से एक टैब आएगा and in that tab you will be identified that this particular CPR is narrow and you will be able to get a trade. So whenever there is a CPR narrow, there are many ways to take a trade. There are many ways. Now you got an identifier of the trend. How all can you take a trade? You can trade with Fibonacci pivots with CPR. You can trade with Camarilla pivots. You can trade with just crossing of the previous day high or low. So these are some of the most popular and effective ways to trade with CPR. And we have integrated many such features like this into the level 1, level 2, level 3 studies of CPR. All right. So यहाँ पर मैं just आपको एक उदाहरण बता रहा हूँ. नैरो CPR आया. All right. So the trading part जो पूछ रहे थे, नैरो CPR आया और अगर उसने R1 क्रॉस किया, ओके, दिस इज योर स्टेप 1, नैरो CPR. वो NeoTrader ने आइडेंटिफाई करके दे दिया. उसके बाद द प्राइस इज क्रॉसिंग R1, यू वेटेड फॉर द फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स. ऑलराइट. नाउ ये फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स के हाई जैसे ही क्रॉस किया, आपने ट्रेड लिया. आपका स्टॉप लॉस कहां पर है? बिलो द CPR. और यहां से यू कैन बुक प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट बुकिंग जोन आइदर 1% ऑफ द CMP और R2 एंड R3 आपका प्रॉफिट जोन बन गया. टारगेट जोन, दीज आर योर टारगेट्स. दिस इज वन स्टाइल ऑफ टारगेट, दिस इज अनदर स्टाइल ऑफ टारगेट. तो दिस ओपनिंग इज योर आइडेंटिफिकेशन. Price crossing the high of the candle is your confirmation, and then after that is your execution. जैसे ही कैंडल के ऊपर चला, हाई बना, कंफर्मेशन हो गया. तो फर्स्ट आपका आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या है? लेट मी जस्ट क्लियर सम पॉइंट्स फॉर यू. योर आइडेंटिफिकेशन इज प्राइस ओपनिंग अबाउ the CPR. Then confirmation is candle close above R1. Then when price travels above that is your execution. Everyone with me? सबको समझ में आए? ये एक एग्जाम्पल है ऑफ CPR. This is your identification. It opened above the CPR. Okay. First is your identification. Opening above the CPR. R1 के ऊपर गया तो आपका कंफर्मेशन हो गया. उसके हाई के ऊपर चला तो आपका एग्जीक्यूशन हो गया. एवरीवन विद मी? सबको समझ में आया? ये समझ गए तो आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. ऐसे अलग अलग स्टाइल्स हम लोग डेवलप करेंगे. ओके, अलग अलग स्टाइल्स हम लोग डेवलप करेंगे. बट देन वी जस्ट नीड अ सॉलिड रीजन टू ट्रेड. Again, I'll repeat. Identification is, has it opened above R1? Okay. And then Has it opened above the CPR? Is it going above R1? So now this, when it goes above R1 और आपको confirmation देता है तो आपका confirmation बन गया. So this is your step 1, this is your step 2, this is your step 3. So this is your step 1, this candle is your step 2, and then once the chart moving up, this is your step 3. Clear? Once it goes above the candle high, you have to take the trade. Because आपको ये समझ में आ गया तो आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा. बाकी सब एग्जाम्पल्स है, बट इट विल टॉक अबाउट सिमिलर एक्टिविटी. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, कंफर्मेशन, एग्जीक्यूशन. आइडेंटिफिकेशन, क्या सीपीआर के ऊपर खुला. कंफर्मेशन, क्या उसके ऊपर गया. और उसके बाद एग्जीक्यूशन. बट देन आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि कहां पर हो रहा है ये सब. और वो चीज आपको नियो ट्रेडर बताता है कि कहां पर हो रहा है. मैरिको में हो रहा है, नैरो था और इसमें पॉजिटिविटी आ रही है बिकॉज इट इज ओपन डबल सीपीआर. क्विकली गो टू द चार्ट एंड टेक एक्शन. Quickly go to the chart and take action. First, understand, friends. We will go into NeoTrader. I am showing you through NeoTrader only. This is a NeoTrader print screen. But understand कीजिए. पहले understand कीजिए, वरना आपको आगे भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. तो यहां पर क्या हुआ, NeoTrader आपका आइडेंटिफिकेशन कर देता है और ऑलमोस्ट कंफर्मेशन भी कर देता है. आप कोई भी टूल यूज कर सकते हैं, आपको सिर्फ जाकर एग्जीक्यूट करना है. I will show it to you on NeoTrader. Please hold on. I'll show it to you on NeoTrader. First, try and understand this. So you can see here that till here there was no confirmation. It opened above. तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन हो गया, बट कंफर्मेशन नहीं हुआ. जब भी मूवमेंट होगा तो नियो ट्रेडर आपको कंफर्मेशन भी करके दे देगा. ओके, नियो ट्रेडर आपको कंफर्मेशन भी करके दे देगा. नाउ अगेन यू कैन सी दैट वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज द rolling ticker. I will show you how to use the rolling ticker. It is one of the most powerful ways to look at the market. All right, it's one of very powerful way to look at the markets. I will show you that. Now on this note, let's go and check out in NeoTrader. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग NeoTrader में चलेंगे and we will see. So in NeoTrader, let me tell you, you have got something called as the pivots view, and in the pivots view you have this CPR. So click on CPR. Okay, now on the CPR page, all right, on the CPR page, what is the speciality of this page? जो CPR के बारे में फर्स्ट टाइम सुन रहे हैं, क्या उनको समझ में आ रहा है? So now what will happen and how will NeoTrader come to your rescue? तो यहाँ NeoTrader क्या करता है, आपको बताता है कि नेक्स्ट डे, विच इज द नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग डे, which stocks are having wide CPR and which stocks are having narrow CPR. ये आप लोगों को करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, नियो ट्रेडर आपको करके दे देगा. Why? So that you can do quality work. Otherwise, just imagine opening trading view, checking through the watch list one by one and finding out ये नैरो है नहीं है. आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, एस्टिमेट करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर हमने ऑलरेडी सारे लॉजिक बिठा दिए हैं, राइट. तो नाउ व्हाट विल वी डू हियर, आउट हियर, this is available to you in the evening. Now what is the beauty of this? On a weekend, okay, you will also have the CPR for the week, for the multi-day. Multi-day CPR for the week भी मिलेगा और आपको नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग डे के लिए भी मिलेगा. एट द एंड ऑफ द मंथ यू विल गेट CPR for the month. Now the month has begun, so all the CPRs are here. All the CPR are here. You can see this is wide CPR, this is narrow CPR for the month. Change the month to week, you will have CPR for the week. CPR is not time specific. CPR is for intraday, CPR is for multi-day, CPR is for multi-week. The rules remain the same. The way the CPR is found, because it is taking high, low, close of the entire week, of the entire month, or of the entire day. So this is where price is below the CPR, red है, above the CPR, green है. Is everyone with me? So now weekly CPR पे आप next week करेंगे. ये सारा stocks में narrow CPR है on the weekly. ये सारा stocks में narrow CPR है on the wide CPR है on the weekly. Now यहाँ पर you can go and click on this chart. मैंने चार्ट डाल दिया. ओके, सो यहाँ पर वीकली सीपीआर डाल दिया. तो अगर इफ आई एम पुटिंग वीकली सीपीआर, आई हैव टू गो एटलीस्ट अ 30-minute चार्ट. You can see that this is the weekly CPR across the week. I logged in to my NeoTrader. I clicked on this small icon below the symbol. And then when I clicked on this symbol, my chart opens. अगर किसी के पास ये integrated chart नहीं है, you can contact our team, write into support@neotrader.in and we'll be happy to assist you to open an account. बहुत simple है, minimal documentation है और आपका account खुल जाएगा और आपको integrated charts भी मिल जाएंगे. Is everyone with me? Clear? So you open the chart, you have this particular chart that is open. Okay, you have the particular chart that is open. So let's see here. So go here, click on this indicator, FX करके लिखा होगा, वहां पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा CPR. If you type, you got CPR with pivot level daily, CPR with pivot level weekly. So if you are a multi-day guy, so use 30-minute chart. Use a 30-minute chart. If you are an intraday guy, use a 5-minute chart. Everyone with me? Clear है सब लोग? If you are intraday, use 5-minute chart. If you are multi-day, use 30-minute chart. Same 30-minute chart can be used for even the positional traders. No problem. I am right now using CPR. We are on CPR, so I am discussing everything based on CPR. Clear everyone? Everyone clear with the chart? CPR dashboard is from here. Go to the analyst zone, go to the pivots view and go to CPR. Is everyone on the CPR page? सबको समझ में आया ये? This is the initial part of the CPR. Okay. Now let's go here. So out here, we have the level 1, level 2, level 3 trades. So what are these level 1, level 2, level 3? These are various situations. Okay. Right now, this is on the daily pivot. So यहाँ से NeoTrader segregates the data. So what is the level 1 trade? Level 1 trade is where the CPR is satisfying multiple conditions. So identification भी हो जाता है, confirmation भी हो जाता है, and you get the trades here. So there are some stocks which are having potential and above the CPR. There are some stocks which are having potential and below the CPR. So they have got potential to go down. They have got potential to go up. Okay. Potential to go down, potential to go up. Now, when the potential comes to the highest level, okay, when the potential increases, so this stock from here will come into level 2. This stock, when full potential is deployed, सारे checkbox tick हो गए. So we have certain inbuilt checkboxes, okay, for each stock which are there in level 3. तो उस पे क्या होता है? We check whether this checkbox is ticked, this checkbox is ticked, this checkbox is ticked, then it comes into level 1. So as each checkbox keep getting ticked, it will keep on moving up. Is everyone with me? Can you type L1 on the chat, guys? इतना समझ में आया आपको? L1 is the best trade in CPR. Level 1 is the best trade in CPR और आपको level 1 ही देखने हैं. इफ यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल ट्रेडर, आप बहुत साल से हैं ट्रेडिंग में, आप बहुत साल से सीपीआर यूज कर रहे हैं, तो देन यू कैन गो एंड चेकआउट द level 3 trades and take suitable decision. Otherwise, I am recommending all of you to just use level 1 trades. Clear? Good. Now, in level 1 trades, what have we done? What we have done is, ये यहां पे suppose 10 स्टॉक आ गए. What we do is we find out from this 10, अगर 5 वाइड है और 5 नैरो है, तो they are divided like this. Okay, they are divided like this. 5 वाइड है और 5 नैरो है. सो नाउ इफ यू आर यूज टू ट्रेडिंग, आपको पता है कि यहां पर रिस्क ज्यादा है, बट इसको चेक कर सकते हैं, देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन क्लिक ऑन ईच ऑफ दिस टैब. So you will get the white stocks and the narrow stocks. Now, what have we done? Using other proprietary methodologies, what have we done? We have filtered from this entire list. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि यहां पर 10 है, इन 10 में से बेस्ट कौन सा है वो यहां पर आएगा. सो अ बेस्ट ऑफ दिस एंड दिस इज टेकन, एंड यहां से इट कम्स इनटू दिस. सो दैट इज द क्यूरेटेड बकेट. तो पहले तो यहां पर 10 आता है, यहां पर आप 5 5 डालेंगे, लेकिन क्यूरेशन में ऐसा हो सकता है कि there are only 6 trades in total. Why? Because the best of this and this is coming here. So we are filtering trades in multiple ways. We are filtering trades in multiple ways, and we are showing it to you. We are showing it to you. Now, if you feel that some trade can be taken, you can take the trade. So what is NeoTrader doing? You are here. NeoTrader is here. You as a subscriber of NeoTrader are here. And market is here. Correct? So now just imagine that. Now just imagine that this is not there. Okay. Just imagine that. Let me just highlight to you again. So we are having you as a subscriber of NeoTrader. This is the market. Correct? Now this entire gap, NeoTrader is standing in between, and it is helping you connect with the market. So we are helping you connect with the market faster by providing you such filters. And when such filters are available, आपको पता चलता है कि कौन से स्टॉक्स में काम करना है. इतने सारे स्टॉक्स में CPR seems to be positive. Okay, CPR seems to be positive. So for example, Jubilant Food. So if I put here Jubilant Food, so let's see the setup. This is Jubilant Food. It seems to be positive. Correct? Now, ये पॉजिटिविटी में से क्या ट्रेड बन के आएगा? अगर वो सारा चेक बॉक्स टिक करता है, यहां पर आ गया, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. Is everyone with me? So you know that something positive is happening in Jubilant Food, something positive is happening Axis Bank, and that's how you can be ready. आपको पता है कि ये सारे स्टॉक्स आपके सामने हैं और ये सारे स्टॉक्स के साथ आप काम कर सकते हैं. क्लियर? ग्रेट. नाउ what happens? What are the other things we learned? Clear so far, everyone? We learned about something called as CPR trend, right? We learned about CPR trend and CPR confluence. So let us find out what is the trend. तो यहां पर देखिए, यहां पर अगर आप देखेंगे, it is written persistent number 6. Can you all see here? Persistent number 6. So there is a number given here. Okay, there is a number given here, persistent 6. So now if I open, okay, if I open the chart of persistent, right? So what will I see here? What will I see here? I will see the chart of persistence, of course. Now, if I take a look at the chart, you can see that persistent has been climbing up for the last 6 sessions. So I'll put the daily chart. It's on the daily chart. It's based on the daily chart. You can see here that it has been climbing up for the last 6 sessions. This is what NeoTrader does for you. You get to know कि ये कितने दिन से ट्रेंड हो रहा है. 6 दिन से ट्रेंड हो रहा है. That means that it is in a good uptrend. Is everyone with me? That means it is in a good uptrend. Now यहां पर जो सर्कल है, ओके, यहां पर जो सर्कल है, व्हाट डज इट से? ऑन डेली, ऑन वीकली, ऑन मंथली सीपीआर. वेयर इज इट? इट इज अबाउ ऑन डेली, it is above on weekly, it is not yet above on monthly. That is the power of AI which we have inbuilt in NeoTrader. और आपको आसानी से पता चलेगा कि persistent जो है 6 ट्रेडिंग सेशन से ऊपर चल रहा है. persistent जो है डेली में सीपीआर के ऊपर है, वीकली में सीपीआर के ऊपर है, मंथली में सीपीआर के ऊपर नहीं है. द सेम थिंग विद बी सॉफ्ट. कोरोमंडल, it is below CPR on daily, but it is above CPR on weekly, on monthly. So just one box, okay? What is the one box? This whole thing is one box, but you are getting a variety of information without even opening the chart. So जो एक्टिव ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, जिनको ये न्यूएंसेस के बारे में पता नहीं है, आपको बहुत अच्छी क्लैरिटी मिलेगी विद दिस फीचर, राइट? यू कैन सी दैट all the clarity you are getting from just this one box. So you will never have to worry that ये स्टॉक कर क्या रहा है, राइट? ये स्टॉक कर क्या रहा है आपको सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये बॉक्स आपको बता देगा. यू कैन ओपन दिस पेज एनी टाइम ड्यूरिंग द मार्केट, एंड ऑफ द डे. जो एंड ऑफ द डे काम करते हैं, आप एंड ऑफ द डे आके देख सकते हैं कि कौन सा स्टॉक में पोटेंशियल है. तो किस में पोटेंशियल है? व्हेन देयर इज एट से अ 3 और अ 4, दोस आर द वंस व्हिच आर डेवलपिंग. सो नाउ इफ यू सी, फॉर एग्जांपल, ऑल द आईटी स्टॉक्स आर शोइंग 4, 5 and above. So a lot of IT stocks are having 5, 6. That means that they are in a good trended mode. But then when it reaches 7 and 8, that means that probably the trend is getting exhausted and you should not be participating in that trend. Clear, everyone? That is how you will be able to find out what is the situation. Now coming to the CPR confluence. All right. CPR confluence is also shown here. How? If you just take a look at Concor, Concor में क्या लिखा है? कॉनकॉर में लिखा है 1.1। कैन यू सी हियर, इट इज रिटन 1.1। तो उसका मतलब क्या है कि एक बार चढ़ने के बाद it has flipped into sideways. So this point one is very important. So now, for example, if you go and take a look at the chart of Concor, so let's go and take a look at the chart of Concor, and let's see what is Concor's. So you can see here Concor sideways. How many of you got this? So CPR confluence is also shown to you as part of CPR. You cannot check on any stock of your choice. प्लीज नोट, इफ यू वांट टू चेक ऑफ एनी स्टॉक ऑफ योर चॉइस, मैंने तो आपको कंसेप्ट समझा ही दिया है। आप ये पर्टिकुलर चार्ट में जाके यहाँ पर यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड राइट जेन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड देन चेक इट आउट। बट देन अगर आपको ऐसे एक एक करके कितने स्टॉक्स आप देखेंगे, कंसेप्ट तो आपको समझ में आ गया, बट लेकिन एक एक करके आप कितने स्टॉक्स देखेंगे अगर आपको देखना है, तो देन दिस इज द प्लेस, बिकॉज यहां से एवरीथिंग कैन बी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड। यू कैन देन गो and have your own watch list. I can just change the watch, I can change the time frame। वो वीकली था, अब ये डेली कर दीजिए। बैंकिंग में कुछ है, बैंकिंग में सीपीआर नैरो इज देयर इन एक्सिस बैंक। यू कैन हैव योर ओन वॉच लिस्ट। तो नियो ट्रेडर हैज गॉट इट सेट ऑफ रूल्स and those rules will be run on your own watch list. So Neo Trader will show you exactly whatever we have learned today. And that is what we are going to see in the live market tomorrow. The live market tomorrow, we are going to see what are the level 1 trades that are coming. We are going to see what are the level 1 trades which are worth trading. We are going to see how to action them. And that is how we will combine. So where will we combine? We have got this rolling ticker, right? We have got this rolling ticker. So now in the rolling ticker, I just click on CPR. So when I click on CPR, I get the stocks that are giving me a level 1 breakout. So these are the highly filtered trades where a level 1 situation is getting created. If you want, right now this is an intraday, we are working on the multi-day as well, but आपको मल्टी-डे में भी कैसे करना है उस पर भी हम बात करेंगे। So there are multiple ways in which you can take advantage of that CPR page. Some of the features is what I have discussed today, right? So now, before we come to an end of today's session, let me also talk to you about the different things which I have set for you. What is multi-time frame trading? So in the multi-time frame trading, what do? You are analyzing that particular trade across different time frame. Okay. You are checking both the sets of time frame, and then you are confirming that yes, if it is positive on the weekly, is it positive on the daily, and then I will be taking the trade. So that's where the three circles help us. So we are having a top down approach. So we are saying the top down approach. So here what we do, we see if it is good on the weekly chart, then if it is good on the daily chart, then that is a very good stock to do multi-day. Now, if you are going for monthly and then going into weekly, then it is going for a multi-week trade. For intraday, daily and intraday is fine. So if you're just looking at the daily chart and then going into the intraday chart, it is good for intraday. So multi-time frame trading, how does it help you? It helps you to get a better clarity on your particular analysis. So suppose you are analyzing a particular sector, it may look good on the intraday, but then if the daily charts are not supportive, then it will be very difficult. Like for example, Nifty is good on the higher time frame, and that is why you will see that intraday dips are being bought into at the current juncture. So that is how you have to look at multi-time frame trading. Now, what happens when you do multi-time frame analysis? It helps you to improve the odds of success, right? It helps you to improve the odds of success. Why? Because whenever you are going to trade, you are always having challenge. But then if you want to ensure that your challenges are minimized, challenges को कैसे कम कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए जब भी आप मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम ट्रेडिंग करेंगे तो आपको बहुत फायदा होगा। यू डोंट हैव टू लुक एट सो मेनी, यू डोंट हैव टू लुक एट वीकली, डेली, मंथली, सारा, बट एटलीस्ट लुक एट वन टाइम फ्रेम हायर। All right. When you do that, you will get a very good clarity. Now, what is the benefit? अगर आपको पता है कि आपका डेली चार्ट अच्छा है तो घड़ी घड़ी घड़ी, how many of you continuously look at the screen? Continuously keep on looking at the screen. Why? Because you are not sure of the higher time frame. Once you are looking at a higher time frame, you are confident that this trade will work. You can hold on to your position. So this is very essential for people who are doing intraday, multi-day, for everyone. But then many people feel कि आज थोड़ा move चला. Some trades did not. All the IT stocks did not work. Some of the IT stocks worked. Why? Because their daily charts were much better, right? That's the whole idea. Now, how do we do it? Now, when you go to higher time frame, you get to know where are we. Why? Because when you get a idea of where are we, you are able to get a clarity on the sense of direction. What is the direction? Where is the price going? And you will know exactly how to plan your trade. So if you want to plan, they say plan your trade and trade your plan, correct? This is a very important line which is there in the line of trading. So if you want to plan your trade and you want to trade your plan, you got to ensure that you are doing a multi-time frame trading. And when you do a multi-time frame trading, you get very, very good clarity. And then when you execute, what happens is you are able to handle different kinds of scenarios. You're able to handle different kinds of scenarios and you are able to get the right kind of levels. Many times what happens is because we are not having an idea about the higher time frame, we are exiting early. And then we realize, अरे यार ये stock में तो बहुत potential था, मेरे हाथ में रह गया. How many of you have felt that? That you have exited a trade and you have found that this stock went on very sharply. But then I did not plan, I did not have a right kind of view, I did not think of the bigger picture, and then I ended up making a mistake. Same way in life, हम ज्यादा आगे की सोचते नहीं है, right? The Western culture is what live for the day, but Indian culture is what live for the next 4 generations. So in the same way, while trading as well, you got to see, can I get 100 rupees from the stock? Should I be satisfied only with 10 rupees? Because today you will take 10 rupees, tomorrow it will gap up and it will move up, but you will not have the courage. How many of you are doing that? It gaps up and it moves away, and then you are not there in that stock. You realize that if I had been in that stock and if I had held on, I would have got a better move. And this is where a multi-time frame analysis will help you. So as people who are using such high quality systems like NeoTrader, you should start developing that. And if you're already a professional trader, then NeoTrader will help you a great way to get you that clarity which you are seeking for. Because NeoTrader may say you will get the right kind of approach either to do intraday or to do multi-day. All right.